Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You open a file and write a tiny program to see results immediately. That immediacy teaches syntax fast. Start by declaring variables, printing values, and reading input so you learn structure and indentation. Once done, run the script, fix the error messages, and repeat with variations. This shows how tokens and whitespace behave. Make sure to name files. Pi and keep examples under 20 lines so you focus on rules, not project scaffolding. You now combine conditions and loops into small tasks like summing values or filtering lists. This reveals how blocks are structured and why indentation matters. Practice converting loop logic into list comprehensions to see concise syntax and performance implications. Then add try / except around risky operations so you learn error handling semantics. Once comfortable, refactor code to functions to observe scope and parameter rules, making sure tests cover edge cases so your syntax becomes reliable under variation. You tie everything together by writing small reusable functions and organizing code into modules so syntax scales. Explain why pure functions and clear signatures reduce bugs, and show how imports expose libraries without rewriting code. Once done, run simple unit tests or use PDB to step through mistakes. That uncovers off-by-one errors, wrong scopes, and type mismatches. If something breaks, rerun the failing case in isolation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.